Welcome to our video on understanding unemployment statistics. Unemployment, the measure of people actively seeking work but unable to find it, has far-reaching effects on our economy and society. These statistics provide a crucial snapshot, revealing the health and trends of the labor market. But what do these numbers really mean, and why should we care? Unemployment statistics help policymakers make informed decisions, guide economic planning, and raise public awareness about labor market conditions. They go beyond mere percentages, diving into the nuances of who is affected and how. In this series, we'll explore the journey of these statistics, from their historical roots to current methods, and their broad implications. As we begin, let's establish a solid foundation, understanding what unemployment is and why these statistics matter. Ready to dive deeper? Let's start our exploration with the history behind how unemployment has been measured over the decades, revealing the evolution and challenges we've faced along the way. The journey of understanding unemployment statistics begins in the early 20th century. Back then, measuring unemployment was rudimentary, relying heavily on sparse data and often anecdotal evidence. Gradually, these early efforts laid the groundwork for more systematic approaches. As we move through the decades, we see the introduction of labor force surveys and the adoption of more rigorous statistical methods. By the mid-20th century, nations began to standardize and refine the ways they collected and reported unemployment data. This evolution was critical, offering clearer insights into the labor market, helping policymakers make informed decisions. Initially, data was gathered through basic surveys conducted by labor departments or statistical bureaus to capture the number of people without work within specific timeframes. However, these statistics were limited in scope and often lacked accuracy. As technology advanced and economies grew more complex, so did the methods of data collection and analysis. Statistical techniques improved, incorporating more sophisticated sampling methods and extensive data sets. Internationally, organizations started collaborating to ensure consistency and comparability across countries. By the latter part of the 20th century, unemployment statistics had evolved into a robust framework, essential for economic planning and analysis. So how did we get from primitive surveys to the refined measurements we rely on today? It's a story of continuous improvement, driven by the need for accuracy and reliability. To understand unemployment, it's critical to analyze several key economic indicators. First, the unemployment rate, a measure of the percentage of people actively seeking work but unable to find it. Next, the labor force participation rate, which shows the proportion of working-age people who are either employed or actively looking for work. And finally, underemployment, a crucial, often overlooked indicator that reveals those working part-time or in jobs below their skill levels due to economic reasons. Each of these metrics offers a unique perspective on the labor market's health and provides essential insights into the economy's overall state. As we dive into these indicators, we'll uncover not just numbers, but stories of individuals and communities navigating the complexities of employment. Moving forward, we'll explore the current methods used to measure these critical statistics and how they impact our understanding of unemployment. Today, unemployment is measured using sophisticated surveys and statistical models. The cornerstone of modern unemployment measurement is data collection through comprehensive surveys. Agencies like the Bureau of Labor Statistics conduct monthly surveys where households report their employment status. This large-scale data gathering provides a snapshot of employment conditions across the nation. Next, the data collected through surveys is analyzed using advanced statistical models. These models help to extrapolate the data, adjusting for various demographic and economic factors, ensuring accurate representation of the entire population. For instance, the Current Population Survey is a key tool that employs sampling techniques to estimate unemployment rates. Moreover, statistical models allow for the separation of trends and seasonal patterns, providing a clearer picture of underlying employment trends. These models also make it possible to gauge the impact of economic shifts and government policies on employment. Together, these methods offer a robust framework to understand the complexities of the labor market. But how effective are these methods in capturing the real unemployment scenario? As we move forward, you'll see how these historical advancements set the stage for the contemporary methods used to measure and interpret unemployment today. Interpreting unemployment statistics isn't always straightforward. Misleading figures often paint a rosier picture than reality. For instance, the official unemployment rate might ignore those who have stopped looking for work out of frustration. This phenomenon, known as hidden unemployment, obscures the true impact on the labor market. Moreover, data limitations can create gaps in our understanding. The numbers might not accurately reflect part-time workers who want full-time jobs or people working in precarious conditions. These factors make it difficult to grasp the full scope of unemployment. As we delve further, you'll uncover how these statistics influence economic and social policies, shaping the lives of millions. Unemployment doesn't just impact the individual, its consequences ripple through the entire economy and society. When unemployment rates rise, economic growth stalls. Businesses face reduced consumer spending, which leads to lower profits and fewer job opportunities. But the effects don't end there. The social implications are profound. High unemployment can contribute to increased crime rates, mental health issues, and strained social services. Communities become fragmented as financial strain takes a toll on family relationships and community cohesion. Policy decisions become critical in such times. Governments must balance stimulating economic growth with providing necessary support to those affected. Implementing effective policies can mitigate the adverse impacts, fostering a quicker recovery and promoting long-term stability. By acknowledging these far-reaching effects, we can better grasp the significance of addressing unemployment issues holistically. Let's look at some historical and recent case studies to better understand unemployment trends. These case studies provide a window into how different periods and economic policies have impacted unemployment rates. By examining events such as the Great Depression or the 2008 financial crisis, we can see how historical circumstances shaped labor markets. Fast forward to recent years, consider the economic shocks from the pandemic and how they reshaped employment landscapes globally. What becomes clear is that trends in unemployment are not just numbers. They reflect the ripple effects of significant societal changes. These case studies offer lessons learned and highlight the challenges that remain. We'll continue to dissect these patterns, understanding their implications for today and the future. What does the future hold for unemployment? Economic forecasts indicate varying trends, influenced by global markets and domestic policies. Technological advancements are rapidly reshaping industries, potentially displacing jobs, but also creating new opportunities. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence plays a crucial role here. Governments must address these changes with forward-thinking strategies to ensure a stable labor market. Proactive measures could mitigate negative impacts and harness the benefits of technological progress. Understanding these dynamics will be essential to navigate future uncertainties in the labor market. The interplay between economic forces, technology, and policy will shape the future landscape of employment. Our ability to adapt and respond to these shifts will determine how we thrive in the coming decades. Accurate unemployment statistics play a crucial role in shaping the world around us. For policymakers, these numbers are the foundation upon which decisions are built, guiding legislation and programs that affect millions. Economic planners rely on this data to forecast futures and create strategies for growth, stability, and development. Beyond the halls of government and boardrooms, accurate statistics also foster public awareness, enabling citizens to understand the economic landscape and advocate for necessary changes. Without trustworthy data, the decisions that impact our daily lives would lack the precision and foresight needed for real progress. To pave the way for a better future, we must prioritize and advocate for the integrity of these numbers. As we conclude this journey into the world of unemployment statistics, let's reflect on the key insights we've gathered. Unemployment rates, economic indicators, and the historical context all play pivotal roles in shaping our understanding of the labor market. We've delved into the methods of measurement, the challenges in interpretation, and the broader economic impacts. Each piece of the puzzle is crucial for a comprehensive grasp of these numbers. Staying informed isn't just beneficial, It's essential. Armed with accurate and up-to-date statistics, you can make more informed decisions, whether in policymaking, economic planning, or simply staying aware of societal trends. Knowledge is power, and understanding these statistics can help you contribute to meaningful change. Let's stay engaged, stay curious, and continue learning.